कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, करमध्ये सरस्वती, करमूले तु गोविन्दं, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Last week I demonstrated the Swasanalika Mudra, which is said to be effective in the treatment of asthma and other respiratory ailments. Today I shall be demonstrating to you the Asthma Mudra. If this mudra is practiced along with bronchial mudra, it can give a lot of relief to asthma patients. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your back straight. For performing this mudra, bring the wrists of both the hands in contact with each other, like this, and give slight pressure. Then fold the middle finger slightly and bring the nails of the middle finger in contact with one another. Press the nails of the middle finger against each other. Keep the other fingers extended. So this is Asthma Mudra. In case of an acute attack of asthma, this mudra is to be practiced for 5 minutes, 5 times a day, along with bronchial mudra for 5 minutes, 5 times a day. Thus, in all, the duration of these mudras would be bronchial mudra 25 minutes and asthma mudra 25 minutes. In order to be effective, both these mudras should be practiced regularly with faith and conviction. Now, a little information about asthma. The cause of asthma is still largely unknown. Researchers have shown that asthma can be caused by hereditary and environmental factors. A number of environmental factors can act as triggers for asthma, like allergens, environmental pollution, cold weather, change in season, etc. Irrespective of the trigger, asthma is a condition wherein the airways to the lungs swell up and narrow and may lead to production of extra mucus. This can make breathing difficult and trigger coughing, a whistling sound or wheezing sound when you breathe out, and shortness of breath. Basically, asthma is a long-term condition. You can say, basically, it's a long-term disease of the lungs. Now, let us have a look at the benefits of doing this mudra. Asthma mudra is known to activate the points in your hands or fingers, you can say, that are connected to the chest and the heart. This activation helps to relax the muscles that line the respiratory tract, reducing the intensity of the symptoms related to asthma, especially difficulty in breathing out or exhaling. The practice of this mudra is said to relax the bronchial tubes, resulting in cleansing the tubes of toxins and clearing the blockages. Well, that's all for today. See you next Tuesday with a new mudra. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and relatives.